Welcome back to Bike Blaze Pro, your go-to channel for the latest two-wheeler updates and honest reviews. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Honda Dio, a scooter that continues to capture the attention of young riders across India. Let's explore what makes this latest model stand out. Design and styling. The 2025 Honda Dio keeps its signature sporty look but now with sharper edges, refreshed graphics, and updated color schemes. Honda has introduced new dual-tone options that give the scooter a fresh, aggressive appeal. The LED headlamp and position lamp remain sleek, while the redesigned tail section adds to the modern aesthetic. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the Dio carries forward the same 109.51 cubic centimeters BS6 compliant engine, known for its smooth and reliable performance. It delivers around 7.76 PS of power and 9 Nm of torque, offering a peppy ride in city traffic. The fuel injection system ensures better fuel economy and cleaner emissions, making it an ideal commuter. Features and technology. The 2025 Dio gets a slight upgrade in the feature department. Honda has added a fully digital instrument cluster with real-time mileage, service reminders, and trip meters. The scooter also includes an external fuel lid, a silent start system, and the trusted CBS combi brake system for improved safety, ride quality, and comfort. Honda has retained the Dio's lightweight frame and telescopic front suspension, ensuring a smooth ride over bumps and potholes. The upright seating position, ample footboard space, and easy maneuverability make it perfect for everyday commuting, especially for younger riders and college-goers. Pricing and variants. The 2025 Dio comes in standard and deluxe variants, with prices starting around 74,000 Indian rupees, ex-showroom. The deluxe variant offers added style elements like a gold-colored wheel and premium finishes, making it worth the slight premium. Final verdict. The 2025 Honda Dio may not be a radical update, but it sharpens what was already a proven formula: style, efficiency, and practicality. If you're looking for a youthful, reliable scooter that delivers consistent performance with low maintenance, the Dio continues to be a smart pick. Thanks for tuning into Bike Blaze Pro. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more two-wheeler updates and reviews. Ride safe and see you in the next one.